Thanks a lot. Of course, we are just looking at the 5 o'clock advisory and sort of looking at our forecast. And right now, we're not going to make any major changes in it, which means we are still preparing for flooding across our area. First flash flooding and then river flooding after that. In fact, we have a high risk of widespread flash flooding. That means streams and creeks that come out of their banks, they may go over roads. Roads may also flood. We could also have road closures, road and bridge washouts, and there's even the possibility that we could have mudslides and landslides. Now, we do have some time to prepare for that. The major river flooding after that is not likely until Monday or Tuesday. The flash flooding likely starting Saturday night into Sunday. So for tonight, scattered showers are in the forecast. We've got wind. It will come down some tomorrow, and hopefully we'll see that wind field, that tropical storm force wind field, which extends out 170 miles, sort of shrinking some with time. Tomorrow, we've got showers, some heavy, even a chance for thunderstorms. Tomorrow night, we've got our heavy rain threat that begins. Now, it's been gusty out there today and breezy. The wind's at about 15 to 20 right now. Our gusts are at about 20 to 30. So we do have some isolated power outages, but thankfully nothing really bad in our area. The forecast wind is for about a 20 to 30 mile per hour wind in the Triad much of the day tomorrow, and about a 15 to 30 mile per hour wind in the mountain communities. Heading into the afternoon, you can see the winds still out of the northeast. Again, the strongest winds are south and east. For us, we could still have a few gusts, at least in the short term, that are greater than 40 miles an hour, and we're looking at that predominantly in the Piedmont Triad, closer to the storm. Of course, with these winds, we could have a few trees down, some branches down, some limbs down, and we could have some scattered power outages, but we are not looking at a widespread wind impact from this storm. Thankfully, this storm coming in with at least lower winds, even though the wind field extends out very far. You are seeing some rain already coming in, and that's our biggest concern. From Reedsville back south and west towards Summerfield, you've got some showers. Also to the south, heavier rain bands are kind of setting up over southern Randolph County, even into Alamance County. We're concerned about some heavy rain bands from the storm as it sort of just moves slowly south and west. Tonight, if we have rain, most of it is going to be in the Triad communities early tomorrow morning as well. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, especially the latter half of the day, those showers will start to push our way. And yes, there could be some heavy showers, and we have an isolated thunderstorm chance as well tomorrow and even Sunday and Monday. So here's the hour-by-hour forecast showing you Saturday night. You can see good coverage, especially across the Triad. And then notice what happens by Sunday. Everybody pretty much gets into that heavy rain pattern setup, and it looks like that will continue Sunday into early Monday. We do have the Triad 12-hour forecast on the screen for you now, and highlighted in red is the window where we're anticipating that threat for heavy rain, that flash flooding threat, to really start to pick up. So tomorrow in the Triad, by late in the day, we'll be on the alert for that. I don't think we'll see significant flash flooding in the foothills and mountains until we start to move into Sunday. High temperature in the mid-70s, but yeah, there will be rain. About 60 to 70% coverage of showers in the mountains and foothills, especially the latter half of the day tomorrow. Rain chances are high Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and then hopefully by Tuesday we can bring them down. We've got flash flood watches out for our area. Not just us, but everybody in the western Carolinas, north and south, are preparing for this major area of rain to slowly move inland. And you can see the rain that's been lashing out from Atlantic Beach all the way southward through Wilmington and then down to Myrtle Beach. So forecast rainfall will bring the most excessive double-digit totals kind of slicing in right across the border here, and some of that could punch up into our area, and that's why we're forecasting 5 to 10 inches of rain on average in our area. Lesser amounts north and east because of the track, slightly higher amounts possible to the south, at least with that track moving just south of us. If it were to dip even farther to the south, we'd be able to push that a little farther south, and we feel a little bit more comfortable. But even with 5 inches of rain, National Weather Service out of Blacksburg saying in similar storm situations, they've had 5 inches of rain causing mudslides and landslides. So here's your 7-day forecast. You will see our Florence impact is Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Thank you very much. Still, as the storm gets closer and closer to